I hear these noises, and you are adding to that noise of all this, and second term that, and first term this, and so on. And I'm hearing these noises, and I'm listening to all that, and that is just about what I am able to do at the moment. Well, we are obviously, as a political organization, having to go through various, processes, provincial conferences, regional conferences, and in the end, it is the membership of the African National Congress that takes the decisions. It's not me who either identifies you, Lizeka, and say, I actually want Lizeka to be the next Secretary General of the ANC, and boom, it happens. No, it is the membership of the African National Congress who must be given the right and opportunity to take all those decisions. And obviously, once they have decided who they need to use a filter. There needs to be a filter which speaks to the values of the African National Congress, which speaks to the renewal process, which speaks to what we are trying to achieve, so that those leaders who are either finding themselves in compromised positions, either having been charged, which is exactly what our conference decided on, are then the type of leaders who should step aside. And obviously, in some cases, there will always be some story and allegation and so forth. And we then need to weigh all that up in moving forward. So just to tell you the honest fact, it is a complex problem because you are dealing with a widespread, a big organization. But what the African National Congress seeks to do is to say, we need to have a proper value system. And our value system is what has been confirmed. And the ANC in saying, we all agree on renewal, we all agree on rebuilding the ANC. That just confirms our value system. And the filters that we use are then the decisions that we've taken. Even in the last conference that we held, that if you have been charged of corruption or any serious crime, you must step aside.